Alright, now it's going to take me like to the center. Yeah, nice little hill down. There we go. Another Amazon truck. They must be busy around here. That's an accounting facility. Alright, so here's the Madison County Sheriff's Office on the left. Well, Sheriff's Office and jail. So they got bars on there, guys. Don't get it twisted, yeah? They got bars on there. They got bars on Randall Street. So we've got to make a slight right and then a left back onto St. Louis Road. Yeah, downtown small town America, guys. Look how beautiful this is. The Forgotten Towns, yeah. New Song Fellowship. You know, and you gotta love it because you're kind of like in and out of town in 15 minutes, pretty much. See, like that. Alright, fella. Come on, man, we're going to Chicago. Follow me. And yeah, and this is a little north side of town, or something to that effect. And then we're going to be out of their hair. So nice that old pail. So it's nice of them. Nobody alerted the sheriff that there's a strange guy on a bicycle talking to himself. Let me go. Thank you. All right. Hopefully it'll be all downhill from here. We always hope. And another Amazon truck. Wow. So yeah, even in a little town like this, they're pretty busy. And it was the electric one too. Here, let's try to make this hill and the other one. Look at that, guys. So it's taking me on that trail. Well, I just wanted to show you guys something here. Look, the store. Ice cold beer. What more do you want? Cigarettes, liquor, and lotto. So you guys, now I think it's just going to take me up on this trail here. Yeah. Very nice. Very quaint. And see, all the yards are fenced off here. But I'm now feeling that westernly again from there. So for a good 5 miles, guys, at least we're kind of shielded here, because we're down below in probably, this used to be an old rail track, you know, that probably no longer used. And so they figured, you know what, let's bury it and let's make a nice trail. So yeah, it's nice because we're kind of shielded here by a bit of trees there. Hey, how you doing, fella?
Okay.
And it's like almost like a nice decline here, guys. So for 5 miles, for about 5 miles, we're going to be down on this trail here. That's not bad. Very few bumps, almost none. And the trail's turning east. What more do you want? So we're gonna have that wind. We're gonna have that wind, guys. That's for sure. We're gonna have that wind again.